Today I decided to try a new flying spot. I'd seen a few whales in this area, so thought I would give it a shot. This site is interesting because it is very shallow for about a quarter mile and then drops off steeply several hundred feet. Because of this, I had seen all sorts of deep diving animals such as whales and mola mola fairly close to shore. Just past the drop-off, I spotted a mother Rizzo's dolphin and her brand newborn calf. The calf must have been just a few days old and was already swimming, although it was still a bit clumsy. This large dolphin is much more reclusive than other species such as bottlenose and common dolphins. Because of this, most people are not very familiar with them, even though there are thousands here in Southern California. One of their most notable features is the heavy scarring on their bodies. These scars come from encounters with their prey, primarily squid and cookie cutter sharks. Because of their preferred food, they tend to be found in deeper water, which is probably why I found them here. As they age, their dark gray skin lightens, and these scars become more prominent. Of course, this baby will be drinking milk for at least a year, so it still looks pristine. Being a typical newborn, the mother needed to stop and feed the calf every few minutes. After a quick snack, it's time to get back on the road. These kinds of dolphins typically live in pods of 30 or more individuals and usually share parenting responsibilities, but often mothers give birth alone. I can only assume that this new family was traveling back to the pod after a very eventful weekend. Such a little baby born into a huge world. I wish them both good luck.